No matter how bleak our struggle appears, the Green Nation will fight on to defeat Blastro and to destroy his super weapons.
And cut! That's a wrap. Oh, that was great, Dad. But, off the record, any idea where Blastro is getting these super weapons?
And how you know that's classified information, Vicky?
Reporting as ordered, sir. Hello, Vicky.
Hi, Sarge.
I think we're done, Vicky. The Tan forces are closing in. Now, don't you leave the compound. I don't want you in any danger.
Oh, Daddy, I can take care of myself.
I'm serious, Vicky. If anything happened to you, I don't know what I would do.
You worry too much.
That's sweet.
Wipe that dumb-looking smile off your mug, soldier. We just learned the Tan army is transporting hundreds of weapons through the dimensional portal for a massive attack against us.
Dimensional portal?
Then we've got to locate the portals and destroy them.
Precisely. We've located one of them near an enemy camp. The same camp they're holding your machine gunner Thick and Hoover your minesweeper. The camp is located in the middle of the Black Forest. Find it, rescue Hoover and Thick, then get them back to the landing pad.
Nutcracker.
Good to go. Hoover, I thought you were captured.
I slipped away when the tan guards were wrestling with Thick. Those goons forced him through some weird energy field back at the camp. It was awful. You should have...
Energy field, a portal. You gotta take me to it.
But no, that's on the other side of the minefield. That's what I'm telling
Where's
you.
your spine, soldier? Be all you can be. You're a minesweeper. Start sweeping.
I don't want to sweep anymore.
Now!
Okay, I guess I will.
Move out! Move out!
Yes, sir. Tater. Taters. Taters.